Coming through the barricade. That's our way through. Let's move. Fucking jump on this shit, motherfucker!
You will never kill me! You will die here!
Damn, this place is a fucking mess. How are we supposed to find tomorrow?
Kamal's base of operations must be deep inside the theater. He's well known for having a love of the dramatic. I'd recommend starting your search near the stage.